What up to my dolls? So before we get into today's video, I have to thank JBW for sponsoring this portion of today's video. I'm going to be showing you guys my new sophisticated watch. I'm rocking the Cristal 34mm round face, which features 12 real genuine diamonds, which are marking the hours, and it's complemented by 559 Swarovski crystals, which are around the dial, the bezel, and the bracelet. You guys, I chose the two-tone one because I love silver and gold. It's 18 karat gold plated and polished stainless steel. The timepiece sparkles seamlessly to level up any look. So this is a look at the storage box, which is absolutely amazing for storing your timepiece. I feel like it keeps it safe, it keeps it protected, and you can just use this and have this for good decor overall. So this is what the authentication card comes in. I have a problem with saying that word, you guys, but yeah. I've been rocking my watch for a minute now, and on my self-love journey, I've definitely just been taking time for myself, doing things to show myself that I love myself, and time is definitely a love language. You can give time to someone else. So my JBW watch, I love this watch, you guys. It is so freaking pretty. I have a coupon code where you can get this watch down below, and I absolutely love it. Making time for myself, doing things to make me feel beautiful and loved and sophisticated are all things that I've been doing on this self-love journey. You can do the same for yourself. Make some time for yourself. Do something for you. Use the code JBW down below.
I contemplate about how I feel, but you make it way too hard to think that this could be.
Hi dogs, I am LeeLee, also known as LeeLee yours truly, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new, and hey to my babies if you are true. So today I'm going to be doing a little behind the scenes of shooting with my bestie Tay, of course, and then I got my boy Reggie over here on the motherfucking snap number 89 photography. So y'all, we are finna be shooting for my new workout line. So make sure y'all go check the links in the description box. Follow LoveLeé Fit, and the site will be launched soon. Y'all gonna get the ins and outs. I feel like this is something everybody has been asking for, so I'm giving the girls what they want. So we're about to shoot. I'm gonna show y'all how this shoot go. So yeah, like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned.
Okay, show me the
No, that's the original camera. Okay, let me see my phone.
gold right after
This.
that.
Will it stop over?
Well, really right here, the last one right here, right on the other side.
From the what?
The one with the
So I move this one up to it. Shake. Move that shake.
Y'all want me to come out more? I'm getting more.
No, it's not. That's cute.
Y'all want some?
Yeah.
These individuals or both?
Together.
Slide out.
Right here.
This might have to be dangerous.
Okay, that's fine. Did you ever figure out why that umbrella didn't work?
So I was looking up on YouTube, apparently.
Y'all, it's take for me given that I'm exhausted. I love this. It has the city view in the back. It's just given that I'm on my way to success. I'm getting my mind right type. Just imagine working out and looking at this view.
Like this? You need to go hands up, like you squat.
But actually put your feet apart like this and make them flat.
Should I come off this or stay on it?
No, stay on it.
So
It's
should I
gonna
think of
hurt.
this?
Yeah,
Or no?
you can do that.
You mean like a real squat?
But feet flat.
If you can't, suck in.
Hold on, put them here. It's gonna hurt.
Like, child, how you sign up for this? Okay. Okay, I'm gonna squat. You ready? No, I'm not ready.
But hold this up.
I'll be like this when I'm like, these are gonna suck in.
Okay, so let's do a yoga pose.
Oh, this one. She can do this.
Okay, so
You can do that on here.
so this way? Yeah. And do what now? So do this.
And I'm gonna take it out and go here.
Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah. 10. Yes, like I'm gonna do it that way.
Don't move.
Okay.
Yes. Alright, turn back, look this way.
Child, she trying to change.
You gotta use what you got to get what you want.
Ain't this champagne?
It's our own little change of area. Let me show y'all. Alright, y'all. We are on like outfit number 3. And it is going good. Our booty's heavy in this one, but it's okay. It's giving what it's supposed to give.
So how we doing this one? Oh no, I can take one.
We're gonna do it on you said take the landscape like this.
I ain't never gone, but I go nowhere. 그렇게 말 얘기는 와도 말이야. Lately I've been on a mission, yeah. But that I may never got not a movie, yeah. So tell me what you wanna do. I don't do nothing stupid. But what is happening in front of you? All it is love, oh, love, oh. Let's go. When the DJ play this beat, go just like no one's watching. Hey, Mr. DJ, drop the track and won't you turn it up? I'ma dance all night and I don't care who's up there watching. Just give me that fire and I'ma show you how to burn it up. That's how I burn it up. Ain't no sitting down, gotta keep it up. I make you music, got the whole room jumping on. Instant motion.
Alright guys, we're going to change the next outfit. And it is really fucking snowing.
Why the fuck? Is it me?
Yes.
What's this? Somebody saw something. Girl, look at this bed.
Well, they gonna record. Oh, there you go. Y'all, look at Tay. It's giving assy. Stop squeezing.
That's how that girl be slinging her ass on TikTok.
That's what she
Better
wants.
go get you some lovely.
This is really cute.
I like this one. Girl, all the niggas gonna be trying to talk to a bitch. I'm like this. Boy, please.
at the gym.
Girl, please. Go wear it at Walmart. Girl, please.
Cause you know I wear my workout clothes on a daily. This is an outfit I would wear to put in your crack. Oh shit! That ass break everything.
Bitch, your fucking ass. Now I'm gonna have to sew it.
Damn.
We might can Photoshop.
Can we Photoshop it?
No, we can Photoshop for sure.
Oh, okay.
But it's not going in the crack.
Like it's supposed to. My ass is so big. This a medium.
Come on, bitch. Bitch, you know you're not.
Oh my goodness, y'all. It's cold as hell. It's snowing. We on the highway heading home. And I have to be careful because there's ice every fucking where. But we gotta get some gas. And I don't even remember what pump I'm on. I didn't even look at the damn pump. I need something sweet. Because I need some chocolate. So, I need me a snipper. It's my last day being able to eat this sweet shit, so I'm finna go in.
Alignment.
What?
I was telling Lily, like, this is our fucking alignment. Everything that happened this weekend. Our weekend has been, like, incredibly good. Like, I don't even think y'all understand how we manifested all this great-ass, rich-ass energy. We're gonna be successful.
That's what happens when you get so, when you're in the vortex, you get so excited.
You like how, like, it's like, is this really real?
All the energy just going through you. Oh, bitch, yes. We alive.
It's so good energy. I don't think I understand. Like, we had such an amazing weekend. And it's like, you know, you get with some friends and you're like, I'm drained or I'm tired or it's like this. It's like not like that with us. Like, bitch, every time we get around each other, it's just like a push of energy.
Yes. And even how we explain, even if one of us get in our feelings or something like that, that didn't happen at all this weekend.
No, we normally don't get our feelings. And we get our feelings about something, it's never from the other person. It's always like an outside thing. But this week, we just had a good time. We got to work. We got to be with rich people. Well, people richer than us.
Period.
Yes.
We took good photos. We supported each other's businesses.
Period. We have life. Leave the time. Well, I don't know if you want to take pictures for... I said, bitch, we can get up. If the photographer's here, we gone. Period.
Oh my God, it is snowing. It just got in my eyes.
She going through it. Y'all know she don't like too much heavy duty work.
I had to pump that gas.
Can you take me over here in this corner so I can put my ass out and pee?
You gotta pee and you wanna go get some pizza?
I can't use public restaurants. You know I have a phobia.
I know.
Where's
Y'all,
the
she
napkin?
would rather pee outside. I brought some in the car.
Where?
You see them? Yeah.
Yeah, just twist me over here. I won't pee in the restaurant. You want another piece of pizza?
Yep. I sure do.
Well, I'll get you some if you take me over here to pee.
For the 100th time, this is how she's peed everywhere we go.
I will not fucking pee in nobody's public restroom. I'll always pee on the door.
Of course, you know, even about the view, like I've talked to you about your relationship, but the reading, I'm always more focused on you and the shadow work and the healing, because it is that's going to actually help you with your manifestation. Like,
right, that's why it's in the...
never about another person, really.
Yes. Okay.
Tori, we're going to call you on three-way. Because I'm at the airport.
Let me get out and give her a hug. Oh. Love you. Let me know when you get there.
Okay. Tori, I'm going to need to talk to you in private.
Bye. Okay, hey you guys, I didn't even check in. So I'm dropping Tay off at the airport. I hope she got everything, girl, because we kind of like was rushing because we've been working. I didn't even get to film us working all freaking morning. I literally have been work, and I got on my hat now that I'm back home. Y'all see I was all cute and dolled up when I was out of town, and then now that I'm back home, I got on to throw the wig on hat, honey. And I'm about to go get my children and go home. It is snowing here. It's like gloomy, you know. So I have a lot of editing, a lot of work to do. But today we did good things. We contacted the speakers. Oh my God, y'all. I'm getting chills thinking about this shit. If the speakers that we want are able to speak, it's going to be so much bigger than we thought it was going to be. You know what I'm saying? Like, oh my God, like I can't even right now. So the call you just heard though was us on the phone with one of the people that we invited to be more of the spiritual speaker, because we do want to speak to you guys about spirituality, since you see a lot of us, or you see me and Tay constantly talking about like getting readings and doing shadow work and meditating and praying and all this stuff, and we want to let you guys know how it can tie into your life and make your life better and all that good stuff. So I'm pulling off from this airport, and the airport is pretty freaking crowded right now, and this is like a lot for Chattanooga, honey, because nobody don't be at this damn airport at all. It's so small. So but honey, I heard we supposed to be going international. Our airport's supposed to be expanding and getting bigger, which means more money in the city, which means that there are going to be good opportunities coming to the city. So that's always good in that area. But I have a lot of work to do today. So Pain and Champagne is lit. I need to call my mom, and I need to call Bryce Granny and say that I'm about to pick up Bryce. So let me do that. Great rising, you guys. Great rising, great rising. Welcome to another day and another portion of the vlog. I haven't vlogged really since I got back home. I've been home for a minute now, and I started at the gym yesterday, which was Wednesday, January 19th. Today is Thursday the 20th, and I'm on my way to pick my mom up because I have to take her to the grocery store. I believe that's where I'm taking her. Y'all know her car is still down. I did order the part to get it fixed, but now we just have to get it fixed. But it's been snowing and doing a whole lot of stuff, and it's just had been a whole lot going on. But she's not used to having her car down, her car being down, and I'm not used to her car being down, honey. And y'all know I bought my mom, I bought her that car. It's been like 4. You guys, welcome to the next day. I was gonna vlog me cleaning up, but I'm not in the best mood right now, and I kind of need to get myself together. And it's a lot for me to clean, so I'm just gonna start, and then it's a lot. I've been letting these kids like wreck this damn house, and y'all know I've been out of town and everything, so I'm just gonna start, and then we'll go from there.
Don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See no one else to love me like you do. That's why I spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
Hey guys, so I'm back. I started off doing this down like cleaning vlog. Well, I just started off cleaning up. I wasn't gonna really make it a cleaning vlog. I didn't know how I was gonna do it, but then Tay and I got on the phone. We was just supposed to be having like a little 5-minute touch up, but we was on the phone for like 3-4 hours talking about things with the event. So all the calls that we were supposed to have like later on today, we went on and got over. So we was basically finishing our legal agreement, which is like the contract for our business, going over the ins and outs, the details before we sign for that. We already started the business, of course, but we just have to make sure everything is kind of like good on both parties, on both ends, because shit happens. People change, as you can see. It's like being in a marriage or a contract, you know what I'm saying, going into business with someone. So we was doing that on the phone with our accountant and stuff. And what else we do? We were on the phone with event planners, been looking into speakers, was on the phone with a magazine. We was doing a lot of different things today, and we got a lot of things squared away, and we are just super excited, you guys. If y'all have not booked your tickets to Pain to Champagne, I don't know what you are waiting for. Like, you absolutely need to be at this event. And then I've learned over my times of like going to seminars or going to conferences or even just doing webinars and stuff like that, like, it is very important to get in the room with people who you aspire to not necessarily be like, but you want whatever blessings you see that person have, you kind of want that for yourself, you know what I'm saying? So it's important to kind of match energies. That's why we keep saying join our soul tribe, because who you are connected to is a direct reflection of you. So with us starting this business, it's like giving us an opportunity to connect with people who are like-minded so that we can pour into them, and then even some of you guys may pour into us. It's going to be like a whole lot going on at the event, but so that we can pour into you guys and get you on the right path to where you are headed in the right direction, so that you can bring these blessings into your life, so that you can go from pain to champagne, so you can turn your pain into purpose, and really just learn some of the tips and tricks of being an entrepreneur, you know what I'm saying, or how to heal while being an entrepreneur. Because when I tell y'all, I mean, we're gonna be going over things even from friendship to relationships to family. Like, all of it is so important. Like, I feel like since the year started, like, y'all, I have cut off so many people. Like, so many people are gone to the point where I'm back feeling like alone. And today I was kind of just sitting in this energy. I'm blessed because people go out, better people come in, and I know that, and I'm okay with that. I understand what God is doing in my life right now. I just feel like my lesson in all of this is really working on my attachment, my codependency, and things of that nature. So I feel like it is just a time where I need to have tunnel vision towards LeeLee, and I've been saying this in like every vlog, and I don't know if I'm saying it because I need to keep repeating it because maybe one of you are watching this and you're not getting the message to down pour into yourself, but you really need to be pouring into you. You really need to be doing what you need to do for you and you this year. Not you and your kids, not you and your mama, not you and your daddy, not you and your mates, but you. What are you doing to make you happy, and how are the people around you serving you, important to you, and making you happy? That is so freaking important. And I'm just not with the bullshit this year. I'm not with it at all. Like, if you feel like you have an issue, if you feel like you have a problem, we communicate about it and we can't come to a common ground, or I feel like you're not serving me anymore, like it's just not beneficial, then I am okay. We don't have to beef. You literally, we done handed each other the scissors, we gone. Snip, snip. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't have time for that. I'm 31 years old. I have goals to meet. I have dreams to make come to life. Like, it is things that I have to do. And more than that, more importantly than that, I really value my sense of peace. And on my journey to my sense of peace, to creating a sense of peace in my life, I feel like I'm just no longer tolerating bullshit. And that's okay. So I'm taking all this pain, all this hurt, everything that I'm going through, everything that I've been through, and I am pouring it into me. I'm not spending another day being drained. I'm not spending another day chasing another motherfucker. I'm not spending another day trying to explain myself. I'm not spending another day crying and worrying about who like me and who don't, who want to be my friend, who don't, who want to connect to me, who don't, who think I'm pretty, who don't. I don't give a fuck. I think I'm pretty. I like me. God loves me. And I'm going to take that and I'm going to run with it. You know what I'm saying? So if y'all have not purchased your tickets, you need to get your tickets because there is a cap on how many people we can have. We actually secured the venue and all of that, and so there is a limit on the people that we can have, and I want you guys to if it's for you, I want you to be there. You know what I'm saying? I don't want just anybody. I know the people who gonna be there. I want you to be there if you feel like you need to be there. So click the link in the description box, get your ticket to Pain and Champagne. And also too, the prices are going to be increasing. These tickets are, you know, the beginning tickets. So yeah, I just had to say that. But I'm about to go get me something to eat real quick. It's like 5:49 p.m. So it's 6 o'clock and I got some wine already. I just need to go get me some more. I feel like I need some bigger tampons. I'm bleeding heavy. I started my period. That probably is what's going on too. You know, when you get on this damn cycle, it's like everybody must go. Like, I be mean. So I'm finna go get me something to eat. I'm here alone. I've been cleaning this house all day. I didn't get everything done, but I got enough done to where I feel like, okay, I can start tomorrow. And tomorrow I'm going to be starting on these clothes. I want to separate these clothes and figure out what I'm throwing. Well, I'm not throwing none away. What I'm giving away to like Goodwill, what I can sell, and then the things that I feel like I want to keep in my closet that I would feel like I will wear. Because I got a lot of shit that I probably won't wear no more. So I'm going to be doing that tomorrow, and I'm also going to be starting on the launch of my new things that I have for my personal businesses and all of that. So yeah, and I gotta go find time for the gym because I didn't go to the gym today, but I'm definitely going to the gym in the morning. So I'm gonna get up and go to the gym in the morning. But let me pull off, let me order my food. I'm kind of craving some garlic parmesan chicken tenders, so I think I'm about to go to Taco Mac and get some of them because I don't feel like cooking. So I don't know if I'm gonna do that or I'm finna go buy some. I don't know yet. We just out, so I'll talk to y'all in a minute. Whew, you guys, I wanted to come and end this vlog off the right way because I am sitting here editing the video right now, and I was like, dang, I didn't come back and end the vlog. But oh, I did get my food. I didn't go downtown. I didn't feel like going to Taco Mac, honey, so I just went to Five Guys and I got a burger. I know that's crazy, but I'm on my cycle, and that's what I was craving, and I wanted a milkshake, so I got a milkshake, I got a burger, I got some fries, and I only ate half of it. I always eat half of the burger. I just be getting a cheeseburger anyway. It really don't be having nothing on it, and I ate half of that. And then I've been sitting here editing this video because I know I got a lot of stuff to do tomorrow. I'm gonna probably wash some wigs because y'all been asking when the next wig sale. I'm probably wash some wigs. I'm gonna do the closet. I want to get up and go work out in the morning. I did not drink any wine at all today, so y'all would be proud. What else I was doing? I was just on another call with Tay. I feel like we went from talking like once or twice a week to, girl, we talk every day. We went from seeing each other like 2-3 times a year to now we damn near seeing each other every freaking month. It's crazy how things can just like, how your life just transitions. And I think the fact that we are like vloggers make it so much more interesting because you guys get to see like the ins and outs, people coming and going, and shit being a trend and not a trend and all kind of stuff, the ups and the downs. I really have just been enjoying my vlogging experience, and I want to say I appreciate y'all so much in the comments on my last couple of videos. Y'all have been showing so much love, like so much love. I'm gonna give y'all a little hint right now. So February is going to be all about self-love. It's going to be all about loving yourself. It's going to be all about just LeeLee, right? Me loving myself and showing you guys new ways of doing it for you. So for everybody who's just in the comments, like, you know, girl, you've been glowing, y'all just been super supportive. I really need some ideas of what type of things or what type of like little giveaways I should have in February so that I can do something for y'all. I feel like, remember on the blog I was talking about it, I have not gotten to do anything for y'all in a long time, and I really want to do that, and I ain't got nothing but time to plan shit out and write stuff down and get these ideas executed all freaking weekend. When I get off the phone, I'm finna order the stuff for all my photo shoots that I got next week. I got photo shoots next week. I got photo shoots the week after next in Atlanta. I have I gotta book my room for that. I got so much stuff. I am booked and busy all 2022. Lord Jesus. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. I just got really, really happy, y'all. I've been laying here looking, well, I've been feeling like I've been looking homeless all day. I ain't really gave a fuck. I just been cleaning up this house. I've been wanting to get my house together. I've been getting my mind right. I've been being creative. I've just been in my own little energy. I really love being in my house, but I love being outside of it too. And I gotta make some monies so I can go all the places that I really want to go this year. And it's only freaking 21 days into the new year, and so much has happened. I've gotten so many sponsorship deals, so many new contracts signed, so like I've started a whole new business. Remember I was having a talk with y'all the other day? Dang, I just got loud out of no reason. I got loud. Like, y'all right here. Y'all are literally right here. I'm talking to y'all. I'm hollering like y'all all the way across the goddamn house or something. That's how you know I got excited. But hey, I just want to thank you guys for your love and support. Make sure y'all go follow LoveLeé Fit down in the description box, because I will be dropping when the launch date for that will be soon. And I also got some new things that are going to be coming for you guys. I don't think y'all will be able to kind of guess what it is, but I pray, I ain't even gonna pray, I am gonna pray. Whew, I am gonna pray, but I kind of already know that everything I'm pretty much dropping, y'all are gonna go bananas about. I'm gonna just put it that way. Y'all are gonna go bananas about. And I'm excited to just actually be in an element where I am vibrating high and I'm actually doing the shit that I say I'm going to do. I know I'm a person that I have to do what I say I'm going to do, but I noticed when it came to my YouTube stuff, I would talk a lot and not do a lot. Like, I would talk so much that I would kind of get lost on what I was supposed to be doing, or not keeping up with the shit that I was saying that I was gonna do or want to do, because my ideas would just be flowing so frequently. But this year I've been coming with it. I've been doing the shit that I said I was gonna do. So we are gonna be doing a water fast at the beginning of the month, so make sure y'all get ready for that. I will let you guys join like always. It will be a fee to join, and I hope that my site is ready so that y'all can just register on there. If not, we'll just do it the way we've been doing it, which is through Cash App or what is it called, Zelle or anything like that. But I'm gonna let y'all know about that, because I'm gonna start a new vlog tomorrow, and I plan to get up and go to the gym in the morning, and it's 11:31 at night. So I love you guys. I'm about to end this vlog off. I'm about to get these pillows off my bed so I can get in my bed the proper way and get at least a good night's sleep, so that I can get up and feel rejuvenated and do what I need to do. So I love y'all. Like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to get your tickets to Pain to Champagne. It is going to be an amazing, 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 amazing experience. It is definitely more than an event, y'all. It is definitely going to be an experience. And if you know one thing about Libras, baby, we love to give people a good freaking time. So we want you to come learn. We want you to walk away feeling like you really got a bang for your buck. And we just want you to overall have a good time and feel like you did something nice for yourself by choosing to come to Pain to Champagne. Okay, good night, you guys. Mwah.
I contemplate about how I